From skeptic to dreamer. For decades, old Joe Tillman worked the cracked earth of Ridgecrest, his hands strong but his mind wary of anything newfangled. The earthquakes of 2019 left more scars on his heart than on his land, and though the world spun fast with talk of solar panels and digital currencies, Joe clung to his plow and memories. When the neighbors spoke of mass domes, a shimmering cluster of geodesic shelters sprouting like mushrooms across the desert, Joe scoffed. It all sounded like science fiction to him, a city boy's dream. But one day, curiosity nudged him through the doors of a dome. Inside, sunlight danced through triangles of glass, nourishing rows of greens and grains rooted in living soil. The air thrummed with the gentle resonance of sound healing, and everywhere he looked, hands were busy, painting murals, tuning instruments, tending to crops using regenerative techniques he'd never seen. It wasn't just technology for technology's sake, it was nature and nurture, woven together with care. Joe found himself drawn to the earth inside these domes, learning how mycelium, compost, and companion planting could heal the soil faster than any fertilizer he'd ever known. He listened to young folks explain how dollar dome tokens kept the lights on and the water flowing, all tracked transparently on something called blockchain. At first, he grumbled about internet money, but soon realized that every harvest, every shared meal, every lesson taught was part of a living, breathing economy, one that respected both the land and those who tended it. In time, Joe's skepticism faded, replaced by a quiet hope that grew alongside his new crops. If a battered patch of desert could transform into a sanctuary for resilience and creativity, maybe he, too, could learn to cultivate something new. Out here, in the shadow of old fault lines and under the shelter of mass domes, Joe discovered that true regeneration starts with a willingness to dream, one seed, one dome, one heart at a time.